Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an AROMA360 Scent Diffuser and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now you might want to do this if the scent diffuser is not responding to the remote control or not working, or if it's not diffusing. Any kind of troubleshooting issues where the diffuser is not working properly or the remote control is not working properly can very often be fixed with a hard reset, and it's quite easy to do. So what you need to do is, first things first, is you're going to unplug the diffuser. And then once you unplug the diffuser, you're going to press and hold the 35% or the low button on your controller, and press and hold that, and then plug in your diffuser back into the wall, all the while continuing to hold the 35% button on the controller. And for about 5 seconds after it turns on, you'll see that the red light will blink on the diffuser. You can let go of the button on the controller and then just don't touch anything else for at least about 10 seconds while the reset completes, at which point your diffuser will be hard reset.